Hello everybody, I just thought I would show you the new kit that I've done, the Stackables. I like to do a little video so I can put it on my Etsy store so people can, if they're thinking about buying it, they can go and look at the video. So I know a lot of you have already purchased this, so thank you so much for your continued support. You are amazing, and so pleased that you like them, really. That's the main thing. I mean, this sort of thing I like doing because I find it's just a go-to thing. You can, I'll make that today, and it can be little projects that you can make with just one of the pages, which sometimes helps if you're sort of in between things or you're not feeling it, and you just cut one of these out and put something together. And I just think, it's great. So there's 7 sheets on this one. So I've done a sort of try to do varied, if you know what I mean. So I've done a couple of red pages, and again, you can use this and put your own thing to it as well. They can all be used individually, to be honest, and some of these will look lovely on those. That's what I was seeing anyway. So there's some words here, and then I've done some just creepwear beige ones as well. That's that one. And the tags fit onto there if you want to double them up, and they fit onto that one. Yeah. And then I've incorporated the inch things that you can do your dangles with if you want to. There. Another one. I really like doing these. These colours are great. So, and I thought these, you can looks good with that one, and it also looked good with all that bright on there. So I've got to, start making some Christmas things up now, and then I sort of incorporate a few of them because I thought, I want to, so that if you want to decoupage this one as well, you can. And then just put some, I just filled in here, so put some words there as well. And then done some quotes. I like this one. Yeah, and then I tried to choose ones that weren't too bad to cut out, if you know what I mean, and they look lovely on top of those. And then put some more words down the bottom there, and a few extra stamp sort of things just to fill in. There we go. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be speaking to you soon. Bye bye.